3, 2, 1, dodgeball. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, Back to walls, guys. Back to walls. Hey guys, if you're watching, hold up. If you guys are watching, please no side repping. Let the refs call it. Okay? One side ready. 3, 2, 1, dodgeball. 10, 9, 8.
Size wrapping. I don't want to. It looked like it was a clean catch. It was going off. I think what she did was slip her hand. I think it wasn't like but water. What the refs think? Oh, the refs have the call. Carmen was right there when it saw it happen. He said it was a catch, right? He has the best perspective. But it doesn't matter if there's video evidence or not.
Well, it's benefit for the eyes. The catch came from, the throw came from my corner, but it was faster.
No, controversy, you gotta record all of it.
So he's ball on the ground. You guys ready? You guys ready? Yes. 3, 2, 1, dodgeball. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, future That's your